Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cash App file tax documents. Cash App reports tax information to the IRS using Form 1099K or 1099B depending on your activity. If you receive more than $600 in payments for goods or services through Cash App, you will likely get a 1099K form. This form summarizes the total transactions made during the year. For users who buy or sell stocks or Bitcoin through Cash App Investing or Cash App Bitcoin, you will receive a 1099B form that reports your gains and losses. To access your tax documents, open Cash App and tap profile icon on the top right corner. Scroll down and select tax documents or straight statements. Here you will find any available tax forms for the current or previous years. If you don't see any tax documents but believe you should have received one, make sure your account information is complete and accurate, especially your social security number or tax ID. You can update this under personal information in your profile. Once you download your tax forms, you can use them to file your taxes for 1099K. This is income from payments you receive through Cash App for goods and services. For 1099B, you will report your investment activity, including stock sales or Bitcoin transactions. If you use tax software like TurboHacks, H&R Block, and others, you can usually upload your 1099 forms directly or manually enter the information. And also, don't forget, if you don't receive a tax form from Cash App, you are still required to report all income on your tax return. Cash App is just one source of income documentation. Also, keep in mind that Cash App users should save transaction records, receipts, and any related documents throughout the year. This helps in case of audits or discrepancies. If you are a business owner or freelancer, consider consulting a tax professional to ensure you're handling your Cash App income and expenses correctly. And that's the full guide on filling tax documents with Cash App in 2025. Keeping your tax information organized and understanding your responsibilities will save you time and stress. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and ring the bell to get notified every time we upload any kind of tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.